Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we are going to look at a weighted utensil set made by BUNMO. Alright guys, if you're not familiar with a weighted utensil set, what that does is if you say you're elderly, say you have arthritis, you're weak, handicapped, Parkinson's, anything that you have a hard time holding up regular silverware, what they do is they take and they add extra weight to the handles. By doing that, it stabilizes your hand movements, it reduces tremors, it just helps with greater control and coordination. So that's really in a nutshell why you would want a weighted set. Now, on top of the medical reasons, I'm going to tell you I have large hands and I love these things. They are bulletproof stainless steel. They're going to be able to be washed in a dishwasher. They're going to last a lifetime. So what we're going to do is we're going to open these up and take a look at what you get. So they're going to come in a nice package like this, and it is going to be one complete set, meaning it's going to have a fork, a spoon, and a knife. They're going to weigh about 7 ounces a piece. You're going to reach in and you feel the weight. So if I'm holding this out, I mean the handle is extremely heavy and the top is light, the fork. And so what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to articulate your movements a whole lot easier without having all those tremors and shakes and trying to get it there. It helps you stabilize, just like I said earlier. Now these are awesome. The spoon is going to be a larger spoon, not the smaller form. It's kind of in the middle. I mean, it's not what I'd call the big one. It's not what I'd call the small one. It's kind of right in the middle, which I like that. Nice cupped, partner, so you can eat soups and things with this too. I mean, it's great. But these are very, very nice looking and very heavy duty. I like the fact also, if you notice, that like the spoon only has a couple of little indents right here at the top where you could put your thumb if you need to. But what that helps you with is it makes this extremely easy to clean because everything is smooth all around it. So it's not going to hold a lot of grime and dirt and things on it that you have to scrub out all the time. If you look at the knife, it's pretty much the same. You have a little indent, for decoration around it, but it's very shallow, so it's not going to be collecting anything as well. It's got a nice little edge for being able to cut, breads and things like that and butter. Now, this is not a steak knife. This is just going to be your regular little, what I call a butter knife. And the fork is made exactly like the spoon. You have a couple little indents here where you can put your thumb. Has the little decoration, but very shallow. The fork part itself is very strong, so it's not going to be bending up real easy. These are made, like I said, to last a lifetime. So guys, if I was going to rate the BUNMO silverware weighted set on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because I really think they are made bulletproof. And if you do have any type of those, so do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we will see you guys on the next review.